Hi, this is Matt with coolmarketingsoftware.com and also quickregisterseo.com. Hey, listen, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning 30% recurring commissions right now by just sending out this specific email. I'm going to give you specific instructions on exactly what to do. Now, in order to start earning commissions, you really need to have some sort of audience built up either on your email list or on your social media marketing list, your followers, of people who might be interested in getting more traffic to your website, to their website. So, if you have a list like that, if you have people who are interested in getting traffic to their website within your circle of followers, either on social media and or especially your email list, which is still really, really effective, here's what you can do. With our realppvtraffic.com website, which is a site which I'll go to it right here, which sells traffic. All right, it gets people traffic right away to their website for less than 1 cent per view, and these are keyword targeted traffic. Over 90% of the traffic will be US unless people request otherwise. So a lot of people are tired of waiting for SEO to kick in. SEO is great, and it's a great long-term strategy, but a lot of people want to start getting traffic now. Also, ironically, getting traffic to your website can help your SEO. So those tend to be some of our best customers. So with this service, you could buy traffic starting at 3,000 visitors. I may be changing that, but right now it's 3,000 visitors to 5,000 visitors to 10,000 visitors. We have 3 packages here. All right, and within 48 hours, they're going to start getting traffic to the website. Now, you can sign up for free on our affiliate program. You just click the link below. I'm going to give you the links to this blog post, and I'm also going to give you the link where you can sign up for free. You don't have to pay anything. And if you get a customer, you'll earn 30% recurring commissions. And that means, recurring means, as long as the customer stays subscribed, you get paid. And I have, affiliates who make money every single month off of just one customer. I've had one customer order like over 40 different campaigns, and I've got that affiliate is making quite a bit of money every single month from just having referred one customer. So this is, and that customer stayed with me for month after month. It's been over a year now, I think. So I have a number of customers who stayed well over a year because they like the traffic, and it's mainly because it's helping their rankings, on Google. And it's proving we include their links on all our websites. So, and we're constantly working to get, lots of different sources of quality traffic for the customers. So you join the affiliate program for free. Here, I'll show you right here what it looks like. Come here. You fill out this simple form. You choose what payout type you want. We have all these different ways to pay out. If you're in almost any country, we can pay you. So we can pay you direct deposit. If you're in a country outside the USA, if you're within the USA, Google Pay. We can also do direct deposit if you're, within the USA. Of course, PayPal, Skrill. Those are all the methods we can pay you, and we pay out once a month. So you sign up for free, and here's a letter all written for you. So we got the subject, get 10,000 USA visitors starting in less than 48 hours. People are tired of waiting for traffic. So this appeals to those people. And we've got a nice pitch for you. You don't have to think about it. All you have to do is get that affiliate link. Once you sign up, you'll get an affiliate link like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it's like to get your affiliate link. So once you sign up, you should choose your payout method. And if you choose your payout method, you won't see this. But if you don't choose your payout method, you come here and you choose your payout method. And then when you log in, it'll look like this. And you've got your affiliate link right here. You've got lots of different links to the different order pages. If you want to link directly to the order pages, you've got banners and so forth. Also, you could put on your website, why not? Let's go for that as well. You could put all these banners on your website. You've got other letters that you can send out. These are already coded with your affiliate links. You just have to Put your name and postal address if you're sending out an email to be compliant. Here's a bunch of other letters. You could use these in your autoresponder system. Say you have an autoresponder with AWeber or someplace like that, an autoresponder company. You can include these follow-up emails in your autoresponder series. So that's where you're going to go get your affiliate link. Just when you sign up, make sure you choose your payout method. You can always change this. So just pick anything if you don't know which one you want. But then you'll see your affiliate info here. So, you get banners and links. You get your links. You can get statistics. Okay. These are all the payouts, keywords. There's a lot here. So that's what you do. But we want to get you started right away. So to keep it simple, sign up for free, take this letter and send it out to your list. And if anyone signs up, you're going to see it in your affiliate stats area. Okay. You're going to see the sales here. And you'll see all renewals here as well. And it's recurring commissions. You get one customer and you get paid over and over. And this is not some multi-level deal because you don't make any money off of those. This, we give you the maximum amount of commissions that you can get. It's 30%. We have to pay for the traffic. So essentially, you're getting a bigger percentage or as big a percentage as we get. We're basically splitting it with you. So it's really a great deal. And you don't have to deal with any of the customer service at all. You just refer and we deliver. That's the great benefit of affiliate marketing, is that we handle all the customer service. And believe me, there's a lot of it. And all you guys have to do is sell. So go ahead. And this is a proven concept. People want traffic. We're making sales all the time. So affiliate sales all the time. We pay out recurring commissions to our affiliates all the time. So why not you? So, and if you haven't started building up your list, this is why you need to start build up your list so you can promote this and other affiliate programs. It's all about building up your community and your list. Start YouTube channels, put out videos every week, give out free stuff so people can join your email list, build. That's what it's all about with affiliate marketing. So go ahead and click the link below and you can sign up for free. And, after that, also after you send out the list, make sure that you put our banners on your website, because you get a whole list of banners here. See, banners and links that you can put out on your website. So first go out and send it off to your list, and then go and put the banners on your website. And we'll look forward to paying you commissions and working with you. And if you don't have a website, you need a website too. I really think affiliate marketers need at least a blog. You have to have someplace where you can send people. Because if you're just sending them to affiliate links, then you're not building up your own community. All right. So first you got to build up your own community so you have a list to send to. And in order to build up your own community, you need your own social media channels and your own blog or website where you can control, where you could put banners, where you could put links, where you can tell people what you've learned. That's a great thing to do, to kind of chronicle what you learned. You don't have to be an expert. Just go out and study and learn something and then share it with other people. People looking for authenticity, not necessarily some super slick person who pretends to know everything. Tell people about your experiences. People love that. I know I do. So let's start with this. If you already have an audience, let's get going. Let's start earning commissions. You can start right away with the Real PPV Traffic affiliate program, earning recurring commissions. That gives me an idea for another video and blog post. I should do a list of affiliate programs that pay recurring commissions. That would be a good one. So see, you learn as you go. So thanks so much. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, join our newsletter and get $597 of pro marketing software for free. You'll be able to download it. You'll get a link sent to you where you can download it. There's a lot of classified ad submitters there and SEO software, so on and so forth. And definitely join the newsletter and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our affiliate program and earn recurring commissions. So I hope this helps you out and gives you an idea where to get started. Let's do it. Thanks. This is Matt with coolmarketingsoftware.com, realppvtraffic.com, and quickregisterseo.com. Thank you so much. Just one more thing before you go. I'd like to invite you to join my newsletter, and by doing so, I'll send you a link where you can download $597 of pro marketing software for free. We've got classified ad submitters, which will allow you to submit up to 500 ads per day. We've got SEO software. We have our software YouTube Title Blaster, which helps you find the hottest titles on YouTube, and you can use that on your various campaigns. So go ahead, click the link below, join our newsletter. You can unsubscribe at any time, and you'll be able to download $597 of pro marketing software for free. Thanks so much.